Are you looking for a great way to stand out from the rest of the networkers? There is no better way than sending gifts or sending a personalized card. I'm here with Preston with Send Out Cards. Preston, I love the brownies.
Well, brownies is one of our top sellers. It's the most popular food gift we have. We have others, and it's amazing. They're all made by started out with a small bakery in Salt Lake City, which is the home base for Send Out Cards, and that's where they make them. And one of the things that I look for is that so many of the foods that we send, including the brownies, are all kosher. And obviously, the reason for that, I'm interested because I'm Jewish and I have a lot of friends and family who keep kosher. So if it's not kosher, I can't send it to them.
Okay.
So it's a little, because that's one of the questions I always get from my Jewish friends about, well, is it kosher? So
It's kosher.
yes, and I can tell you my rabbi loves the brownies.
Well, I'm on a 90-day fit challenge, so don't send me the brownies
Don't send the brownies.
until 90 days is up.
Right.
But the thing that I love is that when you get a card from someone that's handwritten, it really makes them stand out. And I can tell you, I can count on one hand the number of networkers that have done that. They've taken the time to send me a card. Those cards are still sitting on my desk, and it really makes them stand out from the crowd.
It really does make a difference. I have a customer of mine in Send Out Cards, and he's become a client. And I talked to him about Send Out Cards, and I showed him what you could do, and he says, "Oh, I do the e-cards, I do this, I do that," and I sent him a little thank you card. As soon as he got the thank you card, next time I saw him, he could not stop talking about a real card, paper in my own handwriting, signed by me, and it's all done online. You can do it from your desktop, your tablet, your iPad, or your smartphone.
Now, you shared something really neat with me. You gave me the opportunity to send a card on you. Can we share that with them?
Sure.
Okay, so the website, now that I'm putting you on the spot.
Sure, no, not a problem.
The
website, it's real simple. It's sendoutcards.com/Preston, that's my Philadelphia accent, /Preston Mayon, PrestonMayon.